has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Lake Geneva and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Twin Lakes, East Troy, Union Grove, Wind Lake, Genoa City, Kell Lake, Powers Lake, Honors Lake, Silver Lake, Burlington Airport, Browns Lake, Potter Lake, Rochester, Eagle Lake, Waterford North, Tippets, Abel's Corners, and Spring Prairie. This storm has exhibited some weak rotation. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms, although one is not immediately likely. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
The National Roblox Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for all of Roblox. Please close your doors and windows if you're in a house or building with more than one floor. Get to the lowest floor and go to a room with no windows. If you're in a vehicle, please get to the nearest shelter. If you're in a mobile home, take shelter immediately. If your mobile home isn't secured, please get to the nearest shelter. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please get to the nearest shelter. This was a warning from the National Roblox Weather Service.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area, equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as a tornado, a blizzard, or a flood, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.